Hello everybody, this is AustinEndO here and welcome everybody to this video where I'm going to show you the best crypto mining buying app or the buying website for this year 2021 guys. So I will be giving the links in the description guys. You will be redirected to this website once you click on my link, and once you go to this website, make sure that you register yourself. And this app is also available for App Store, on your Play Store, for Windows and for your Mac OS too. So once you register, first of all guys, I'm not being sponsored by anyone over here. This is my personal research and my personal expense in this website, and after all this I am making this video as the conclusion of proof, so make a good note of that. Now guys, as you can see, after you register yourself, this will something you will see. Now what you can go to your funds over here, and as you can see, I've invested in these three coins over here, and I have personally spent money for it. So yeah, I will also show you that this website is not a scam or a fraud, and also you can buy or sell your crypto. So make sure that if you are in India, basically you can just go over here and click on deposit. So there are a lot of there are two options available for now: instant deposit, or I have done UPI myself personally. So you can click on UPI and enter how much you want for like 500, and once you click on continue, you just enter your UPI ID and you just pay it from your Google Pay or Paytm or any UPI wallet you want. And the convenience fee is also very less, like 50 paisa, so it's really very less. So yeah, it's really very good. uh, I had withdrawn, I had deposited like 1500 rupees in this, and had bought Ethereum Classic and Chainlink as well. So yeah, you can buy anything you want. Once you have deposited your money via UPI, you have to wait for, like, it can be quick also, and it can take as long as half an hour also. So make a good note of that and do not panic while you deposit. So once you go to your WazirX main page, uh, how you can buy now, as you have deposited in INR, you can go to INR over here, as I'm showing my cursor over here, and whatever you want, means these are all the crypto you can buy currently. For example, you want to buy XRP, so the current XRP price, if you click on lowest price, so this is the lowest price, 35 rupees, in which you can buy XRP. So if you want, now if for example now the current price of XRP is like 35 and you want to buy it for 30, so you can quote the price at 30. So whenever the price falls down to 30 and anyone wants to sell their crypto, the XRP, for 30, so they will sell it to you basically. And for example, if you want one XRP, so total you will be spending 30 rupees for one XRP. But this is a bit slow method, means you have to wait until unless the price just falls down. This is good, but it depends on your budget, and if you know much better than this. So for now, if you just click on lowest price, the current rate is just like 35 rupees, and once you click on buy XRP, as I have only 16 rupees in my wallet, so I won't be buying it now. So this is where you can see your wallet total over here. Once you click on buy XRP, it won't be buying instantly. Instead, your buy order will come over here like 30 rupee 35 rupees, and once anybody sells you, it will be showing in your completed of orders. As you can see, I have been I had bought all these cryptos over here for like 280 rupees for a link chain, and Ethereum Classic for like 16 US, means I had converted my USDT Tether to ETC. So you can do like that too. So this is how you can trade, and if you want to see your funds, you can just click on funds over here, and this you will see all your buyings over here. So yeah, this is one of the coolest wallets you can see in India, and if you want to buy cryptocurrency in 2021, I think this is the good option you can choose for. And yeah, as I have said guys, I have not been sponsored by anyone. This is my personal research, my personal money, and my personal investment basically. So this I would like to show you guys, so you could also invest in this without any problems or without any doubts as well. So I hope this video has cleared all your doubts, and thank you so much guys for watching. And if you like this video guys, please do leave a like, share this video as much as possible with your friends. And this is a very good time to invest in bitcoins and also in other cryptocurrencies. So yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching. This is AustinEndO here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care everybody.